Hey there, guys. Did you know that there's actually a way to turn your love for mobile games into cold, hard cash? You heard that right. Certain games known as PayPal games shell out real money as rewards. I mean, we're all on our phones for a decent chunk of the day, aren't we? Wouldn't it be cool to mix some fun with earnings using your phone in these nifty PayPal games? Now, let's be clear. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. But winning some gaming apps can land you cash prizes through PayPal. So if you are looking for real ways to make money from your phone by playing games, then this video is right for you. In this video, we are going to share with you the top 5 legit PayPal games for money. So, watch the video until the end. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Getting back to the video, let's start from number 5. Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo is a pay-to-play bingo game where cash tournaments start at a mere 60 cents per card. For the Android and iOS users among us, you'll be pleased to know it's rated 4.5 on both platforms, with a ton of positive votes. Even the payout is incredibly flexible, starting from just 1 cent, though you need to be at least 18 to play. Now, if you've ever played traditional bingo, Blackout Bingo is just a souped-up version. You're handed a 5x5 grid of numbers, and each game lasts a quick 2 minutes. The objective is to rack up as many bingos as you can within that time. And if you participate in tournament, then you can win up to $330. Alright, moving on to number 4 on our list, we've got number 4, Solitaire Cube. Now, who doesn't love a good game of solitaire, right? Especially when you can enter tournaments for just 60 cents and potentially win cash prizes up to as high as $72,792. For our Android users, the app has a 2.8 rating. And for the Apple fans out there, it stands tall with a 4.6 rating, and like Blackout Bingo, you can cash out from as little as 1 cent, as long as you're 18 or older. So here's the scoop on Solitaire Cube. It's a pay-to-play game where you can score cash prizes just by winning digital solitaire games. What's unique about Solitaire Cube is that you're not partaking in live tournaments, but are actually competing in a league. These leagues run for several days, and at the end, those with the highest points split the pot. Moving forward on our list, we have number 3, World Winner. World Winner is an exciting platform where you can enter gaming tournaments and score some cash prizes. You can access World Winner through both Android and iOS. Unfortunately, World Winner is not available in the EU, so here's how it works. You make a deposit, choose a gaming tournament you'd like to compete in, play the match, and then just sit tight and wait for the results. Easy peasy, right? They've got a host of popular tournaments you can jump into, from Angry Birds and Spades to Super Plinko. The best part? The entry fee is just 25 cents. And if you're feeling a bit rusty or just want to get a feel for the game before you put your money down, you can practice for free. Linking your World Winner account to your credit or debit card, or even your PayPal account, makes paying fees and collecting winnings a breeze. And hey, as a sweet little bonus, the company gifts you $10. Number 2, Mistplay. Mistplay is a free app that rewards you just for playing games and providing valuable feedback to developers. On Google Play, it's got a solid 4.1 rating with a massive 345k votes, and you can start cashing out from just $3. Plus, gamers as young as 13 can join the fun. There's a catch though. Mistplay is only available for Android devices, but it's worth noting that it's a pure play-to-earn game app. No cashback shopping or surveys involved here. But don't fret if you're not a feedback kind of person. Not all games require it. Many a time, it's as simple as clocking hours playing your favorite game. The more you play a specific game, and the more familiar you are with the app in general, the more you stand to earn. You can trade in your points, also known as units in the Mistplay world, for PayPal money or snag some gift cards for major retailers. Also, the games available depend on where you're located. But with popular games like Raid, Words with Friends 2, and Yahtzee on the platform, you're bound to find something you'll love. And now our top pick is number 1, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a live trivia game that you can play for absolutely no cost and still stand a chance to win some cash prizes. For all the trivia buffs rocking Android, it's got a fantastic 4.6 rating on Google Play, while our iOS users give it an impressive 4.8. The minimum cash out here is $3, and players as young as 17 can jump right in. Here's how it goes down. You'll be hit with a total of 10 questions, and if you answer all of them correctly, you get to split the day's pot with other winners. This pot can go up to a cool $1,000, so bring your A game. Stumble on a question? No worries. You're out for that game but can jump right back in for the next day's show. Plus, you still pocket a few points for participating and for the answers you get right. These points will be credited to your Swagbucks account, so you're always a winner in some way. That's all for today's video, guys. Which game you liked the most from today's video? Tell us your views in the comment section. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Until then, happy earning.